afternoon, good evening, depending on your time, location, for this video. Because video in about live recording kidnapping ongoing in Enugu State, OP, on Soka precisely. Live ongoing, on mad. Naga on Enugu State. As of time of bringing this video, somebody caught it live on camera. And atom mad. Obokwa na ri akwa otuto mmadu ka na ato ihe anuzo. Onwere onye gbo more security gbo ha kacham. Enwere onde si ya. Who knows how long ha no that place. No that place. And uza since local insecurity na igba ya. Uza has been a major place of concern for people. That Uza Hopin Soka has been a major source of concern for the people. Yeah. Governor Peter Mbah, Enugu State of lately has been associated with increase and different kinds and levels of insecurity, ranging from herdsmen to Igbo mother to Nkanawa to forcefully entry to so many things. Christmas everywhere peaceful about Christmas na more go business as usual exercise peace for the moment and nothing because government. The reason why we make videos sometimes is to call your attention to things that you people did not see. Because I know some of you are trying in one way or the other. There are some people stationed for that job. Just like the way Kwensu cannot be everywhere like God. So we station is more that monitors his affairs and make sure that they put things in order. Pending on boy. So you as the governor, there are people in charge of security, in charge of welfare, in charge of Funka, in charge of Funka. Put them in order. Then if they are not ready to do that work, there is what we call sacking, firing, sacking, imprisonment. According to the law. Inekwana ya fono hana ha make okwesi need state to get a panel to go investigate the outcome of the position in ya. If they are not doing it, you sack them. And one day na fire with immediate effect. Then the outcome of the kidnapping.
Go OP on Soka. You are heading to OP Junction. Follow the block like this. I'm trying to tell TikTok. My kidnapper. God, the government, you people should do something. You people should do something for this.
One pass. Just say one pass. I go clear road for you. I go clear road.
You master? Huh? Okay, no fear for God. Amo government. Government should do something. This is happening live at European soccer. This is happening live at European soccer. Okay. Yeah, who's Ugogo OP. So you can see it. All the vehicle can be stopped because of kidnapper. Government, Peter Mbah should do something. You know, I said they are drunk. Say they are drunk. Happening live at Peter Mbah should do something about this. It's too much. It's too much. You can see it there. Peter Mbah, do something, please.
I'm on noon and see that video. Yeah, getting and I get that, but the outcome of that kidnapping now. The outcome. So people can no longer travel freely. People can no longer wake up and move freely. Each time Mbahoyabo and I say, hey, when I was in Abane Denjo, Abane Menka, Kita no myself, even the nitty if you're a bit mad and I be boom mad. And will be tied on to you that person, Jizi, Ibum Madi Begi Wemela Kolo. Will be tied onto you. Nipotano wa, or will you bulu Madi Begi? Back all again. Bible make I that na obu is in ebena oboma is in a manner. That is why most times some for you to unique. I keep saying this, I've said this severally. Another man jump into conclusion, baby. I say nage some people now only hamete. Some you to put a na senate already home, can wadro, emeron cause. No already does not guarantee. Does not warrant it yakani hojo. That's because Nekun say we look from beginning. Bible says there's a way that seems right unto a man, and the end is what justifies the means. There is a way, so every way is a way. But what then comes after that thing? That is what we should be talking about. Governor Peter Mbah, we are calling upon you. Aya yozege kabiko. Do. Batalandu nsoka opi nsoka. Ose nyamaka. And then the soccer on their own should have to also step up their game. Step up your game. Ununwe local government chairman, ununwe representative na House of Senate secretary na ebe wana mamu kesi eme ununwe representative in your people that talks to the governor. Ununwe secretariat, ununwe secretary, ununwe lanka. Okay, na anu manuru monunu na other state can your own state can call out from Enugu do to no believe obona yenye ni unu ku dochia sinyeni ya unu mana kan don dem mada dele ha. I don't know how true that is. So it's a quote alleged nulano. So biko ka amala ihe melia, because this thing now is beginning to look as if no obugo yamala. Because do kine wanted this video kabaru ni share konya ozo mmegene na afa here na afa na this channel kodokwan.